Hi guys, very good morning all. This is 9th of September 2025, Tuesday. We are here for our live Indian market analysis and live sharing of trade ideas and stock ideas. So, as a first rule, we are checking what's the gap up and gap down in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We can now clearly say that the market is up 80 points and 120 points in Bank Nifty. So they are again inside the range of the previous day. So that's why that really doesn't concern us. As you all know, we believe in one thing: trading above the previous day high and the previous day low. Uh, so let's see what's the market will do and where the market wants to move today. In the pre-market analysis, we were able to see that the IT sector is performing really good, and IT is up 1.75%, whereas the second highest thing is to be traded at 0.3%. We are seeing a huge thing in IT. Also, we'll check for the Nasdaq. Yesterday, the Nasdaq was also pretty much flattish, but around its all-time high. So it's a good sentiment for the IT sector stock as well. So we'll be seeing IT sector stocks, that is Tech Mahindra, HCL, Emphasis, LTIM, Coforge, Wipro, all are trading really good guys. So we will be having our eyes and hands on these stocks for today. Let's see how they want to sustain, how they are sustaining, what's their movement style is it today. We are going to check that. And also yesterday we couldn't be live, but we traded well yesterday. We completely capitalized the move in Eicher Motors and also Bajaj Auto of some part of the rally. It was a good trading day for us yesterday. Now today all these stocks are a bit down. It's the nature, it works like that. So we'll wait for the first 5 minutes of the market. We want to witness, or we want one confirmation from them about what's their move above the previous day high and previous day low. So we can mark the high and lows of the previous day in these stocks. So Coforge, this is the range. Tech Mahindra, this is the level. And also guys, we have to see that if the stock is performing so well today, also the sentiment of yesterday was very weak. So it's natural that quite a bit of the movement will have to come upside, because all the people who have shorted the market would take out their profits once again out of the market. So that's the rule why it comes there. And also we can see HCL is taking rejection exactly around the previous day high. So even though the sector is performing well, I can see only Wipro to be going above the previous day high. Yeah, except Wipro, there are none of the stocks actually moving above the previous day high. So we will have to wait. No entries suggested as of now. Any other stock we are searching, guys? I see IT, media, 100, not so good movement still. I'll also check in my watch list. Tech Mahindra, LTM, Tata Communication. Yeah, Tata Communication seems a bit good. Let me check on daily chart. Signs of bottoming is shown in Tata Communication, but not a healthy stock to trade for today. We are seeing Eicher Motors, guys, again from yesterday. Yesterday there was a huge move in Eicher Motors, right from here to here. Let me also mark the high and low of this stock. Yeah, this is the previous day high and low for this stock, and the stock is also moving very good. So we will be trying to capture its move once again today, but to be honest, I don't believe the markets wants to move once again in Eicher Motors. And also, as our logic, a round number syndrome, 6,896 is the high what it has made today. and also 6,900 is a round number which we all are aware, and we had discussed in the last 2 to 3 live streams also. The beating of the round number is important, so we are waiting for that. We are also targeting 6,900 call option in Eicher Motors, so which is around the price of 132. We'll have to wait for more confirmations. Let's wait. 6,900 is the number, guys. That is the number we want to track now. The option prices are 135 now. The high is not sustaining. We are getting a rejection. We have few more minutes to decide on the entry, so we'll be waiting for that levels to get triggered. And the stock is hitting an all-time high, guys. It's a good sign. We are seeing the UPL also. UPL is also moving good. UPL is also moving good. Another similar auto sector stock is Maruti, suggested by my friend. So that is also one good stock. We'll also be keeping ready for Maruti call option as well. Yeah, Maruti call option we would be trying for 15,400 call option, which is around 200. And Eicher Motors is moving, guys. Eicher Motors is beating its round number 6,900. So we'll be looking for an entry over here. We'll be looking for an entry. 145 is the 142 is the price. We are waiting for a confirmation, or we are giving some time to the market to confirm our levels and to confirm our bias. So the bias we are having is the stock would hit a good high. We want little lower prices to give an entry. We feel the prices now are little over hyped. Let me also check Maruti. Maruti also made an high around 15,384 and is down. So Eicher Motors is unstoppable, guys. It's just moving. It's just moving very fastly. Very good move in Eicher Motors, guys. It's very good move. The move is extraordinary, guys. We are seeing very fast move in Eicher Motors. We are almost approaching 10 points, guys. 10 points on our target. The candle is still open for another 1.5 minute. This is a crucial time. We should be looking for the better closure by the stock. Yeah, guys, we have completed our trade in Eicher Motors. Maruti isn't performing well, but we are very happy that we were able to catch this sort of a move. It's really good. It's really good trade we took, and I would like to show you my PNL in some time. But let me just quickly go through other stocks, not to getting stuck in just one story. We want to show as many as examples as possible. We want to look after all the stocks we are having in our watch list. That is our main goal. We don't want to miss any of the moves or any of the good opportunities, because that creates FOMO, guys. Once FOMO hits you, you get into the loop saying, no, I saw this trade, I couldn't trade, I took this trade, it failed. Every sort of miserable story will start in your mind. So the best thing you want to do is, when you see a trade, you have to take an entry, stick to your plan, stick to your plan of action, and then is the thing, guys. We saw Maruti right along with Eicher Motors, but why didn't we enter? Is because the candle structure wasn't so good. The candle gave off its strength within like 2 to 3 minutes of its opening. So we don't want such sort of stocks. And also, Eicher Motors is currently down from the price where I have bought, and definitely down from the price where I have sold it right now. Let me show you that to you guys. But this is the thing. What happens is, the stocks will show you a move, will definitely move upwards. You plan it, you plan your entry and everything. Then from your emotions, because of your emotions, you try to do something else out of the ordinary. So that doesn't really fetch anything. So guys, let me show you my screen. So whatever the price I had entered was around 153 rupees, and what I have sold it is around 163 rupees. I was able to make such profit. And also, the last traded price, the LTP, if you guys want to see, it's 149. It's below the price where I have bought and where I have sold. But I am in profit, and it doesn't matter to me what the stock is doing currently now. If there is any opportunity, I would be liking it around these levels, 6,880 levels. I want the stock to correct for itself. And even yesterday, when I had been trading this stock, I didn't see any of a much major good correction in this stock till now. So I'm expecting a correction right there. And also, we discarded this stock not to trade it, right? So this is the thing. What happens now, until and unless this sort of a wick is formed, you won't get much entries until unless the market tries to go above this. So let's wait for that as well. And we were seeing UPL. UPL was a clear indication that the market was trading above its previous day high. So let me show you its previous day high. And previous day low. Let me just tell it. Yeah. So this is the previous day high and low. Even the stock made an high above the previous day, we didn't enter. Why? So we will also be careful about this daily charts, guys. We know our stock. We have been teaching you, or we have been saying you, this single stock from 10 days. We have been watching this. We know it's not in a good shape. The falling trajectory of this stock is different, and just a good green candle is there. And this is not a good closing of yesterday. You can see our lines are here, our averages are here. This is not a good closing. And also, we haven't got any confirmation on the trend change. So that is one thing, guys. And also, all the IT stocks, see, they aren't performing. They aren't performing because they haven't broken their previous day high and low. Yeah, LTIM, same story, all the places. It shows to the market that, oh, IT is performing very well today, IT is moving like anything today. But seriously, it isn't moving. All the news or money control, anybody for that matter, you can see IT index up by 2%. They show that news, and it actually doesn't perform. We don't have any much stock, guys. It's a dull day again, is what I feel. But we have good momentum stocks, that is our auto sector. So M&M is one. So you want to see M&M daily chart. So it's around its all-time high, guys. It's around its all-time high. And Eicher Motors is up 1%. And I said you guys, I need to see this stock around correcting somewhere around 6880. Yeah, the prices are there now. I want to see how the price wants to react here. Even on a 1 minute chart, it's good. The 15 minute looks pretty not okay. That is where I was confused. That's why the quick entry and the exit was made. We are continuously searching, guys. Actually, me and my buddy Bhuvan also sits with me, and we trade together daily. He will also be searching through his set of one watch list. I will also be searching. I am the one who punches the order. That's it. Analysis is done from our team. All of us, me, Bhuvan, Varun, all of us do the analysis together. We watch our stocks. We watch this. We attend this live market trading. And also, guys, on the live session of mostly, I think on 3rd September, you guys can check the video in my YouTube channel where I had said HDFC can be looked for an investment around 940. The stock is now around 970. So easy 3.5%, guys. Easy 3.5%. Even though you had made an long-term investment, you would have been sitting in 3%, 3.5% gains with just 6 calendar days and just 2 to 3 trading days. You guys would have been in 3.5%. A whole year, the bank gives you the 6.5% again. And to give you all a clear idea, guys, the bank nifty previous day high and low is marked. But if you guys want to see what's the market's been doing from the last 8 to 10 trading sessions, is one candle, and that candle range is the range for the next 3 candles. One candle, next 3 candles, it is the same range, right? So we are not having so clear picture or clear direction like this. For example, from 21st of August, we saw that there was a huge fall. This is a clear move, and this is also not a clear move, but still from 24th July it was in falling spear, and from 13th June it was in rising spear, and also April we had a good move here. But right now what's happening is the range of the market is getting smaller and smaller day by day. It's a big candle, then a smaller candle, still smaller candle, now an inside candle. So this doesn't give us any clear cut idea or clear cut direction. So the futures are also stuck. CNX finance is also stuck. Nifty is also almost stuck within this big candle range. And also, interestingly, guys, we want to show you gold, what's happening in gold. The gold is unstoppable from 20th of August. You guys can see it has been continuously rallying, and as you can see from 20th of August, 21st of August, okay, 20th of August, the gold actually started to rally. 21st of August, the actually Indian market started to fall rigorously, very, very, very rigorously, and the banks haven't recovered till today after the 21st. So this is a clear example as to mention that how a safe asset and the risky asset work, or they go hand in hand. They both are always opposites, and but in America, Nasdaq 100, Standards and Poor's 500, they both are at all-time highs. Let me show you. So this is Nasdaq chart for you guys. This is Nasdaq Composite. It's almost around its all-time high, and the gold is also around all-time high. The stock market of America is also all-time high. I am not clearly in a picture that what's going to happen forward, because this is not a regular condition. Whatever India market is facing right now, the fall in their prices from last these many days is the one should happen in America as well for the gold. But China is planning heavy, is what I feel. They want to become the superpower with gold. They are saying if the dollar is there, it's only working in America, but if it's a gold, it's working universal, and that's what they want. And it's always a risky time for the stock market, guys. We are experiencing such scenarios in this time with Trump and some people around making their own tariff styles. It's a different story now. We'll always be coming up with new learnings as we move forward in this journey of stock markets. We'll let you know, we'll keep you posted about that as well. And another beautiful learning, guys. Another beautiful learning is that, yeah, the stock is falling right now, but we have already made our profits and we haven't entered any other trade yet. So this is the market, guys. This is the learning you need to get. It's always on the fast hands. So let me check the timing of my orders. I will not be showing you that, but yeah, 9 o'clock 22 minutes 31 second was the buy order punched, and 9 o'clock 24 minutes 10 seconds was the order where I exited. uh, so around 1.5 minute to 1 hour 1 minute 40 seconds we were able to make profits, which is a good thing. So we are also seeing Tech Mahindra performing now, beating its previous day high. But we will check on our options chart. Option chart is not so good, not so well placed, but definitely a potential breaker of the levels. Tech Mahindra is also one good stock, and Tata Communication, as I said, guys, it is holding its level. It needs to break its own levels, and I see some of the resistances, which is not currently looking good. And what about Maruti? Maruti is also a little bit taking a rest for its next move. We are seeing good move in Tech Mahindra. It's a good move actually. So we are also trying to do a small scalp kind of a thing. Scalp is a trade where you place your buy order and sell order very fast. You are here just for a moment in fraction of seconds and minutes. You need to be having your fast hands ready for it. So that is also a risky game, guys. Whenever you think that the stocks wants to go up and you enter a trade and uh, it doesn't turn out to be a scalp, it turns out to be a positional stock then. So such sort of scenarios are very tough in these times. Even though we miss the stock, or even though we don't enter the stock, that is fine for us. But if we enter a trade and we are stuck, who's gonna help us? Nobody, guys. Nobody. Yeah, this sort of moment what you guys saw, the stock prices went up for 1.5 minute, and now it is giving us an upper shadow. So yeah, the option prices, if we enter and for our lot sizes, for this small moment, guys, we would be having 5,000 to 6,000 of loss in our PNL statement. So should I be entering a trade in a hurry, or should I wait with patience? Definitely patience. The last 1.5 minute of this candle, let's see what's the move of this stock, whether it wants to truly go up, or it's just time passing and trapping everybody on the upside so that it can move downside. So let's see, guys. We are seeing a bit up move in Eicher Motors and also in Maruti. So both are auto sector stocks and both are going hand in hand. And also let me check CNX Auto. This is all because of the good news from the GST, guys. But you guys all heard the GST news very lately, maybe on 3rd of September, saying for Dasara and Deepavali, but it already started moving its upward journey on 12th and 13th August likely. From there the auto sector has been up. How without even the news the market is reacting? It is a mysterious question. So rather than questioning them, we have to find them well in advance. Even though in my WhatsApp channel, I used to keep repeating the same statement: the news, the market discounts information well ahead of everybody getting to know that whenever it's news, it's time for the market to react in an opposite way and trap everybody in that. So we are trying to take any entries in ICHR again, but until then, we are seeing no much of good stocks. Wipro, IT, got Philip, no good stock, guys, no good stock. We'll also be checking for our scanners. We are not getting any good stocks for intraday purposes. So we are just holding our trades. What about TVS Motors? It was also a good stock which moved very well yesterday. Today it's in correction mode. We will not mess with that stock, or currently it's in correctional mode. Guys, again, we are seeing Eicher Motors to be giving a good up move. The up move is not so pleasant in the Maruti. We'll be checking 1 second. Maruti, M&M is falling. Hero Motocorp is trying. Eicher is in a good mode. Bajaj Auto is not so good. Tata Motors, okay. Ashok Leyland, okay. Only stock to be checking out is Eicher Motors, guys. We are eager to take an entry in that, but after a good profit, you fall lazy. That is what I have experienced, and that is what I'm going through now. Um Generally, because I don't want to mess my day again. uh, it's okay if I make another 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 in this trade, but I don't want to lose what I have already earned for the day. And that will be my prime motive once I have earned money. That is what I have learned. Once I have made some money in the market, let me not lose it. So, protecting what you have earned is also one major thing. I just want to avoid any trades whichever I see. Uh, Tech Mahindra is trying to go up. It's moving good now, and we are trying to catch this trade again. Let's see. Another 2 minutes for the candle to close. Another 2 minutes, guys. So we are trying to plan our entry here. Let's see how it wants to move. Another 1.5 minute for this candle to be closing. Hopefully the candle must close really well and continue its movement. We saw some small correction here. That is one good thing. What are the other stocks doing? Okay, every stock is making its up move. Coforge is also moving good, guys. Coforge is also moving good. Let me check. Coforge 1700. Yeah. average. Coforge. Coforge. We have made our entries in Coforge and Tech Mahindra, guys. The candles are closing good, and we are holding good profits as of now. But in some time, we will be just closing off these trades, like very good scalping trades. We want to trade this because they are in good momentum as we see them. But it's always good because the IT sector has been non-performing for so many days now. So that is one thing. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, guys, we were just exiting our trades with small scalps. We were just in position with Coforge now. Coforge is also approaching its round number. We are also not so comfortable holding this trade. We have booked out both the profits actually from Tech Mahindra and Coforge because guys we are seeing a small resistance in Tech Mahindra. Uh, we are not so okay. We feel it's also entering this 1500 round number, so that is also one thing. So we have taken an exit. We did a pretty decent job. I will show you guys my position just a minute. So this is for the day, guys. This is for the day what we have done, and yeah, we'll usually take a break after such things we have traded right now, but trying to show you guys as many as examples as possible, and also trying to capitalize my day, uh, making the best out of my day. See, guys, again the Eicher Motors is just time passing. That's why we had our quick entry and quick exit. Even if I had hold it right now, it would have been not so a good trade or not so good time. So Coforge is good, but we are not seeing any good movement in the option prices. The asset or a stock or an index is also dependent on its futures and options. We also keep watch on their uh, charts, the price movements, which has to go in hand in hand. It should not be in the opposite direction. See, guys, this is the reason why we booked out our profits very early in Tech Mahindra and also in Coforge. They both are not so performing well. So I'll also tell you my trading time for this. Um, I entered TechM at 9:43 and booked out the profits at 9:47, a 4 minute trade. And Coforge also around 9:44 and we exited 9:48. Almost both of the trades were about 3 to 4 minutes. We have done good, decent job, guys. We are pretty happy. Let's see, let's wait. This is the copper chart. I'm just watching it because it's been many days since I have visited this copper chart, because this is the leading indicator of our economy, and it's most important that we watch this movement. The gold is unstoppable. The gold is unstoppable. Silver. If I haven't showed any time, yeah, silver. Just a minute. This is the real silver. uh, so this is the one level, guys, the level which was in 1980. So now it's 45 years of it, and it beating its own resistance level from there after 45 years. And in 2011, 10 and 11, the silver prices had skyrocketed, right from 2008 housing crash. And into 2020, after corona, the silver prices are just rallying. And if this level is gonna break, it will be very serious, and you can call the silver to be the next gold. But also there is an interesting story what happened in 1980, and what made the prices of silver to move up till 48 dollars per ounce and then fall up till 3. uh, so this was a fall of around 93 90% in the prices. So, and also how the stock rallied above like 90-95% is the real question. So if you guys want to search on your own and do a own research on it, it is a good story to know. It's about the world economics. If you guys already know, uh, put out a message in comments or anything. See, guys, Tech Mahindra is falling. This is the thing, guys. That is why I said you I don't want to spoil what I have already earned, or I don't want to mess my day. I am already happy with what I had done in Eicher Motors. So none of the stocks are good. None of the stocks are performing. Let's see. Give us 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Give us 5 to 10 minutes. If there is any good update, we'll be back, or we'll try to wind up the session. Most probably, I hope so. Without my partner or without my friend Varun's confirmation, I'm telling you guys today he will be live. Today is gonna be live for the forex trading, the commodity gold trading. So I'm seeing a good move in gold now, guys. Sorry, I shouldn't be doing this. Sorry, Varun, but I want to take an entry. Let me try what's the case. I'm not right away entering any trade in gold also. Um, we are just trying to see. We are just making a preparation. So gold analysis is completely different. Gold, yeah, the things happen in gold is very different. So we have got already a very good up move. Now, now it's not actually the right time to trade gold, but we are seeing some good price action points. So that's why we tried there. I'm just looking at it, guys. No trades, no trades. Give us some time, guys. If there is something good in gold, also we'll let you know. We'll be back. Hi guys, let's see. We were searching for this Pidilite stock. Just a minute. Pidilite Industries. Yeah, this is on a 5 minute start. This is breaking the previous day high. The resistance comes out to be here. It's okay. Guys, we are trying to find a trade in Pidilite Industries. 3100 call option. Looks good. The option premium also looks good, but the candle needs some time for it to rest and then continue its up move. But it's rallying right away. We are having one resistance around this zone. Is it trying to touch that level and get back? Only if the candle closing around 10 o'clock and 5 minutes is good, we will be taking an entry in that, or else no entry is triggered. Seeing Coforge also to have a good move, I guess. Yeah, the Coforge is also giving a good move. Again, trying to break its own high. Similarly, Tech Mahindra, yeah, and no stock moment, guys. No stock, no good stock moment. Pidilite, I feel the volatility is very less for it. I'm seeing the options getting traded. Not so convinced. I don't have much of liquidity here. Liquidity is interested, guys. Also, LTIM, Coforge failed. Sorry, guys. Coforge failed. Eicher Motors, it's holding its level, not showing any signs of up move. ICICI Bank is falling. Oh yeah, this Tata Communication moved well. This was the one stock we are suggesting, but we were not so happy because it showed us continuous resistances, and also the previous day I had a very big upper shadow. Not so convinced, guys. Not so convinced. Hero Motocorp, it failed yesterday. Let me just delete all the drawings. I think that's it for the day, guys. No stock is showing interest in movement. We are seeing Chola Fin to be one good potential stock. Let me just mark my previous day high and low levels. This is the previous day high and low. It's breaking its own day high. Last try, guys. Last try. I'm not trading anything. Whatever the PNL screen I have showed you guys some time back, it stands still right now. I'm just checking for the opportunities. I also research all the time. I also try to learn many of the concepts all the time. Cholafin is looking really good. Uh, this is the type of chart pattern I would look both in the stock and the option prices. Cholamandalam is doing really good. I want a 15-minute closing for this stock to enter. This stock is with good potential is what I feel. Daily chart looks good, but above 1513 levels, 1514 levels actually. We will be taking entry in this stock. That is what I am feeling. That is what I think is the right thing to do now. Let me check all my parameters. Yeah, they're holding good. Market depth by one lot. We have made just entry of one lot in Solafin. We will try to close it with just one lot. Um if it's gonna hurt us, it's okay. We will be just trying this trade with one lot. Or if we really feel the market wants to sustain and it wants to break this level 1513 or 1514, we will be trying to add more entries. Bid light is up around this level, but no good premium movement. We are not interested there now. The trade is holding good, guys. The Pidilite actually moved really well. The Pidilite, we were little hesitant because of the option price movement and the way the stock has been over some past few days. It is messed up, so we didn't want it to mess it up more. But our entries will start right away from 3150, another 20 points. We need the stock to go up, and then we try to enter them again for a positional good move, at least for a target of 3200 levels. So we will also be updating it if it happens in live, or we will take entries during the market hours if that happens. It is one good, potentially good stock. It is holding its level. It's trying to break this level after so many days. Now it is looking good. We want to track this stock, and if not on options, we want to take this stock in futures. In futures also we can trade. It is a bit different from option prices. It varies in certain aspects, the decay, the expiry, and everything. So we'll be updating you guys on that thing as well. So as of now, the Chola Fin is holding its level, uh, trading above its previous day high. So we are okay as of now. This is 1 minute, guys. Yeah, correct. It's correct. It's correct, guys. Okay. So in another 2.5 minutes, this candle of 1 hour is going to close. Um, that is one good sign. The stock has been breaking its resistances and taking it as a support, which is a good sign. Now, currently also we see this level to be a good resistance for this stock, and we are expecting at least this stock to touch this level and make something sort of this to break. And this would be the first 1 hour closing after so many days. We had seen a big reversal over here yesterday around 9 11:15, but the candle is about to close here. We want a good closing in that candle. Let's see, we will wait for that trade, guys. And also DMart, no trade, guys. I think it's waste of time if we keep on searching. Let's see how this Chola Fin moves for another 2 to 5 minutes, and then we will try to end up the live, guys. So yeah, guys, Pidlight closed bad. This is why we weren't interested. We didn't feel that the rise would sustain. Okay, so this stock which we had entered, Cholafin, it is holding its level. Uh, just to show you guys, wherein just a small one lot, 500 rupees loss. Um, we will hold for this trade. We will wait for this trade to get activated. We haven't invested much. Um, it's somewhere around 25k of investment. We want to hold that trade and see if it wants to break its previous day high and break this level as well. It's a good chart on a daily chart as well. So let me hide all the drawings. Yeah, it's a good stock. We want to give it some time. We'll update you accordingly in our WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group. Uh, yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. That's it for the day.